Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to see all shortcut key in MS Word. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to press Hotkey plus F8 on your keyboard, Hotkey and F8 on your keyboard. And this window here is going to pump up. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you choose Word Commands. Having choose Word Commands, then you have to scroll down right here from this section right here and look for Command List. So you have to continue to scroll down until you see, List of Command. So continue to scroll down, List of Command. So, and it should be somewhere here, list of commands. Okay, just like so, we have list commands right here. Having select list command, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on run. Then this is going to pump up. Then make sure you are in by default current keyboard settings. So click on OK, and in a few seconds, it's going to generate you all the current keyboard shortcut key in MS Word. Just like what you see right there, you can begin to scroll down and start learning them one after the other. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see all shortcut key in MS Word. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.